HMD Global finally officially launched its newest tablet series, the Nokia T20. As the first tablet from the Nokia T series, it features 10.4-inch IPS LCD screen with resolutions of 2000 and 1200. The performance of this Nokia T20 is supported by the Unisoc Tiger T610 chipset, coupled with 64GB of internal memory, along with Android 11. The company claims the Nokia T20 will get OS support up to Android 12 and Android 13. The company also promises device security updates every month for the next 3 years until 2024. This Nokia T20 also supports USB-C up to 15W. Unfortunately, the company only includes a 10W cable charger in its sales box. The company also packed this tablet with 2 RAM options, 3GB and 4GB with 32GB and 64GB of internal memory. If needed, users can increase the storage capacity using microSD. Furthermore, this Nokia T20 is also packed with 8200 mAh battery, which claim can last for 14 hours in normal use and 10 hours for watching videos. This Nokia T20 is also equipped with stereo speakers, 2 microphones, 3.5mm audio jack, along with a 5MP front camera for video calling or selfie. The rear camera of this tablet is packed with 8MP capable sensor. The rear camera of this tablet is packed with 8MP capable sensor. Nokia T20 is also available in 2 versions, Wi-Fi and 4G. The model with the 3GB RAM, 32GB memory, Wi-Fi is sold for €200, while the 4G LTE model is sold for €240.